Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google account verification while scan QR code with your phone problem on PC. First, refresh the Google verification page to generate a new QR code. Then, make sure the QR code is fully visible on your screen and avoid screenshot or partial displays. Also, avoid using small screens or low-resolution monitors because the QR scanner may not detect them. Now, open Google Authenticator or any compatible authenticator app on your phone. Next, make sure the phone's camera lens is clean. Hold by the phone steady and align the QR code inside the scanning frame. Both your PC and phone must have a stable internet connection because a slow connection can cause the verification to fall or expire. If using mobile data, ensure the phone can access Google services. All cookies or cached data can interfere with QR verification. Clear your browser cache and cookies or try using incognito or private mode. Alternatively, try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then, make sure the account you are scanning matches the one logged in on your phone. Next, double-check the email addresses to avoid scanning the wrong account. Google Authenticator codes rely on accurate device time. Now, make sure your phone's data and time are correct and set the automatic network time if possible. If the QR code scan fails, click Can't Scan It on your PC. Next, copy the annual key and enter it into your Google Authenticator app. These bypasses QR scanning but archive the same 2FA setup. Now restart both the PC and the phone to refresh background processes and permissions. After the restart, try scanning the QR code again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.